Hey everybody, today we're learning how to draw Gingerbread Man for Christmas. Me and Noah just got done drawing ours. Show them yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's get into it. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want you to do right here in the top part right here is we're going to do a big circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is going to be our Gingerbread Man's head. And then you're going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom. See how it's not closed? Just going to do a big circle like that. Nice. I like your gingerbread man. Okay, now we're going to do two little eyes. So a little circle here and a little circle here. And now we'll do a teeny circle inside that circle, kind of close to the top on both of our eyes. Looks good. Okay, now I want you to color in everything except for the little circles, because that's going to be kind of a reflection. You beat me. Okay, now we'll do a little teeny smile right here in between the two circles like this. Nice. So now we're going to do his little bow tie. Ready?
This is terrible.
Okay, so we'll do a little circle right here. Excellent. And then right here, we'll do a big loop that touches that little part of our head. But you can go further if you want. Nice. And we'll do the other side. Big loop.
I beat you.
You beat me again. And then you could do little lines like this. Deep, deep, deep.
D, D, D,
Yeah.
D, D, D.
Nice. And then now do it in the little bow part. You did it in the knot, and then now I want you to do it in the bow part, the two little circles.
What two little circles?
The outsides. You did the middle, we'll do the outsides too.
Right middle.
Like right there.
Oh.
Like that. Yep. Looks good. Because a bow tie is kind of like a fabric, like a ribbon. So when you tie it, there's little folds, and that's what those lines are. Okay, now we're going to do the arms. You ready? So we're going to start right here where the head touches the bow. We're going to do a big arm out like that. Nice. Then we're going to do the other side too, where the head touches the bow. Big arch out. See, sometimes when I'm doing two things on each sides of things, one side looks a little bit different than the other side. You want to know why?
Why?
Because my hand kind of gets in the way of where I'm drawing. I can't see, and that's normal. It still looks good. Okay, you ready? Now these are the armpits. This is the gingerbread armpits. Okay, we're going to come down and make a big loop like that.
Down.
Yep, and then we're going to do the same thing. Start in the other armpit.
And just about.
And then meet in the middle there. Well, that guy has a bigger leg than that one. Now we get to decorate our gingerbread man. Usually they put a little bit of frosting right here. We'll do a little squiggle. And then another little squiggle that matches that one. See how it matches? It's just a little bit further down the arm. Oh, nice. And then we'll do the other side. Squiggle. And then another squiggle.
I beat you.
You beat me.
Again.
Okay, now we're going to do the legs. I'm going to beat you. Z, 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 z.
E, e, e.
Z, 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 z,
E,
oh, you already did the other leg.
I beat you.
Yeah. My gingerbread man's kind of lopsided, but I'm not worried about it because guess what? It's kind of like a cookie, and all cookies aren't perfect. Okay, now we're going to do the little buttons. Ready? Little gumdrop buttons.
Gumdrop.
Remember that in Shrek?
Yeah. What?
Not my gumdrop buttons.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Then we'll do one more squiggle right here. Squiggle, 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 squiggle.
Squiggle, 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 squiggle.
On the other side too.
Wiggle, wiggle.
I love it. Okay, now we get to color him. Okay. Okay, well, we're going to tell everybody that we're done.
Found it.
Do you want to give everybody a thumbs up? That's our
Yeah.
gingerbread man. Give everybody a thumbs up.
E.
Eat.